Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle. On this channel, we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. So this first project uses some wooden sticks. Looks like she's placing this around some kind of cylinder container she already had. Now, I wonder if you could use straws and do like the same kind of, method. Just kind of place the straws around the perimeter of a cylinder box. She does have some cloth going here. Oh, I think you know what? I think she's making like a decorative box. So if you wanted to, you could use straws for this. Obviously, it would give it a different look, but you could just spray paint them if you wanted them to be a different color. But this is a really cute project idea. And obviously for a project like this, you could use the boxes any way you please. Lots of options. So she did a couple of different shapes here. She did a square one there at the bottom, and there is that round one going there in the middle. It looks like she put them in her laundry room. Oh, and then she did use one as like a plant holder. That's cute. So yeah, she showed us a lot of variety with that project for sure. Very cool. Next up, we have some cardboard here. Some newspaper, kind of doing like a paper mache effect. And then going in with some paint. If I had to guess, I'd say, yeah, definitely making some type of shelf. That's cute. Shelves made out of cardboard. All right, so the next one involves some popsicle sticks. Some cardboard. This is like a very basic beginner-friendly project, by the way. I think she's making some type of mirror. So she does another layer here, just above the previous one. And then places that mirror in the center. Now, if you wanted to, you could paint these popsicle sticks. Looks like she's adding some wooden beads there. Very cool. Yeah, that's a very like beginner, straightforward project. If you're getting into the world of DIYs, that'd be a great one to try. Came out nice too. So next up we have a Halloween DIY. So like I said before in previous videos, I'm just kind of sprinkling in the Halloween and fall Christmassy style DIYs. So we have someone here doing a pumpkin wreath, I guess. I didn't know they had this at the Dollar Tree. Like, this is really cute. So we have an orange cloth, tablecloth. Now you could leave this by itself, but we do have some more pumpkins here. And of course we have a Mickey inspired pumpkin or jack-o'-lantern. Oh, that is so cute. I really like the fact that this, you know, kind of has the lighting in here too, so you can turn it on at night. I think that that is just so adorable. The dollar store, that is just crazy. Unreal. So it looks like we have some type of old vase here. Some old bottles. Okay, so they cut off the top portion of those bottles, and they look like the same shape of those pieces that are over there that are off to the side. So I'm wondering if those are a finished product. I think the trippy thing about this project is that this looks like real metal to me. Like it looks like real steel, or am I just the only one just like thinking that? I would never look at that and think that this is plastic bottle. Wow. Yeah, that looks like metal. That is crazy. And then we have this really cute Christmas DIY. So like I said, we're gonna be mixing in the holidays. I don't know why these videos don't perform that great standalone, but I still like reacting to the holiday stuff. So that's the reason why I'm just kind of mixing them in, just FYI. Ooh, I like the black nails. So she took like some basic reindeer, and when it comes to like holiday decor, I'm actually obsessed with reindeers. I'm obsessed with reindeers and Christmas trees. So I like the fact that she grabbed like these ordinary reindeer and painted these black. Wow, that is like such a beautiful upgrade. That is just genius. Genius hack. And then we have someone adding some strip lights to their decor. And they're doing that with some command strips. Everybody wants like this ambient lighting now. I swear my husband is like obsessed with doing this. He loves putting the command strips everywhere. I mean, it is nice. Like, it does create a nice little vibe at night. Very cool. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.